Alrighty, the new signals are in and active here at Acker Road on the UP Geneva Sub near Fulton, Illinois. This one really surprised me because this crossing did not have any conduit at it previously, at least as of a couple months ago, and now all of a sudden these new signals are in, the old bungalow is gone. So work here is pretty much all done. Meanwhile, there's the crossings around Morrison that have had conduit for a long time now, still aren't finished. And in fact, they haven't really been working on those at all recently. So I'm not sure what's going on there. But anyways, these are typical new signals for UP, GE dot LEDs and Safetran frames, NEG E Bell. Siemens base, Siemens gate mechanism, Safetran junction box on the side. And then the gate mechanism has the newer NEG two-way gate saver. You see the tag there. These have been pretty common now on the newer UP installs. Cross pucks from WCH, track signs from NEG. So yeah, pretty typical stuff for the new signals on this line. One thing that UP is doing now that I've been waiting for them to do for a long time, and they're finally starting to apply it to other crossings now as well, is they're finally placing the dot tags facing forward. I don't know why for the longest time UP had them facing sideways, and oftentimes on these newer installs they'd put them like right behind the gate saver there, which was really annoying. But for a reason now, UP's finally seen the light and they're placing them facing forward, which is a massive improvement. So the only railroad now that's placing dot tags facing sideways still is KCS. All the railroads place them forward for the most part, save for a few oddballs here and there, like on CSX I know. Some of them are still facing sideways. But anyways, yeah, this signal is pretty much the same thing. I'm going to go over it entirely. You get the gist. Another new Siemens install for this line. And according to the ICC website, they got this and Dakin Road done, so I'll be checking out that crossing here in a minute. But yeah, again, I was not expecting this one to be done first, because again, this crossing didn't have conduit at it for the longest time, and all the ones around Morrison do, but yet for some reason they got this one done. So not sure why they're stalling around Morrison, but who knows, maybe by the end of this year they'll have them done. I would hope so. They've had bungalows at them now for 2 years now. But anyways, this has been the new signals at Acker Road.